का है जुनून.
The title is Suryadatta National Lifetime Achievement Award 2020 and it goes to Dr. Makrand Jawadekar, lovingly called as Mac, for excellence in the field of corporate excellence.
सूरज की ओर Suryadatta, success is yours.
Well, I would like to have a special mention here. His name has been included in the Congressional Record of United States of America by Honorable Todd Rokita of Indiana. So I would like to read it out for you. It reads, I want to recognize Dr. Mac Jawadekar by Raiva with the Inspirational Achiever Award. Dr. Jawadekar spent nearly 30 years at Pfizer Inc., where he held a number of senior leadership positions working on drug product delivery, drug product formulation, and supply manufacturing. He was an integral part of the development of a number of drugs at Pfizer and worked frequently with senior leadership at the company. He has also been recognized globally as a leader in the business world. In 2006, he was asked by then-President George W. Bush to be a part of the trade delegation to India. Dr. Jawadekar represents the very best of America. His dedication to the discovery of new drugs is the main reason why Americans are able to live fuller and healthier lives. It is why the rest of the world looks to America for leadership and why so many companies invest in areas that are less fortunate. I want to recognize Dr. Jawadekar for his outstanding career and leadership. Can we have the AV, please?
And so I got in at a time when Pfizer was growing. It was amazingly opportune time for me to start working there because I got a bench research work opportunities where I worked on the formulations of Zoloft, which became a blockbuster for Pfizer as an antidepressant. I also got to work on Zithromax, which is an antibiotic, which is azithromycin, which became a worldwide phenom, as well as I worked on the faster onset Viagra, and that became a worldwide sensation because I could work on the formulation of that, and I was at the bench level working on that. And so those were the highlights of my entire career. Those were the highlights of where I could excel. In fact, when Modi ji was visiting US back in I think 1996-97, he was just a BJP worker at that time, and he was staying next door to us with Bhavsar family, and Mrs. Bhavsar worked at Pfizer with me, and she said, we have somebody who has come from India and he is a BJP worker and he's visiting us. So I said I would love to meet with him. So I met with him then, and then he in fact called me and said, when he became the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he said, why don't you come and visit with me? So I went there along with Dr. D.Y. Patil, who is like my father's very, very deep friendship he had. So I took him there with me and introduced Dr. D.Y. Patil to Modi ji, and he literally was so accommodating, and he essentially gave me his chair to sit on, and he sat opposite to me at his chamber. So, and then since then I have visited him at the Prime Minister's house in PMO office, and so we have kept in touch.
Dr. Jawadekar has completed his PhD in pharmaceutics at the University of Minnesota. He was honored with an honorary DSc degree from DYP Mumbai University, recommended by the President of India. He was presented with the M.L. Khurana Memorial Lecture of the Year Award at the Indian Pharmaceutical Congress. He has presented at many professional meetings and has participated in various panel discussions and roundtables. He was one of the invitees to join President Bush's trade delegation to India. On 22nd January 2020, this book was presented to Pope Francis at Vatican City, and the same book was presented to Dr. Jawadekar by Tonino. Please welcome Dr. Makrand Jawadekar.
In recognition for his contribution to the pharma industry as a strategic advisor to pharmaceutical and biotechnological companies with over 35 years of experience. This includes 28 years at Pfizer as Director, Portfolio Management and Analytics and Vice President of Pfizer Global R&D, bringing global experience in pharmaceutical research and development.
Success is yours. Suryadatta. Success is yours.
प्यास बुझाने का है ये जुनून।